So heaven is not a realm. Heaven is a body, the body of glory. And clothed in that, no matter where you go, you make your bed in hell, hell ceases to be hell, it becomes heaven. Things long dead burst into flower. The very desert begins to bloom if you walk by. Because it can't remain dead, for you are the living God, the immortal you. So you came down into the world of death, and you left behind your glory. But by coming down and being victorious in the world of death, and overcoming the entire world of death, you rise from it, enhanced beyond your wildest dream by reason of your conflict in the world of death. It was a venture, and oh, what a glorious venture. So let no one tell you you did wrong, but do begin to stir yourself and call upon Him. Don't pray to any external God. Pray to Him, and you pray to Him by communing with self. Be still upon your body and commune with your own heart yourself. Now what do you want? Dare to appropriate. Dare to actually appropriate the feeling of the wish fulfilled.